YouTube? I am DWG and I am back again with another banger. So me and Macy are in the pet store right now. This bird is literally talking to me. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi?
Timmy.
Y'all, I'm about to show y'all the bearded dragons. This is how big my son's gonna be. My baby, my sweet boy, is going to be this big. And then look at this thing right here. This thing is sexy. Oh my gosh. It's shedding. That's super nasty. This thing is sexy. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna take you and show y'all the other lizards that I just seen walking in here. They are huge, but they are creepy looking. Like, them things look super creepy. But anyways, let's get into it. These are the baby bearded dragons. They are super cute. So there's this guy over here. Why does his feet look like that?
I've had these laced for a while, but I still don't have a license to drive them.
And then there's this guy.
Anything else? 50-20, you want this in a bag?
And then there's this thing right here, whatever this thing is. So anyways, guys, we're just looking at the pet store today. Looking at the beardy stuff. I am deciding on what I want to get for my son because he's very much spoiled. Look at the babies.
You would have to have the heater, the filter. It depends on what shark, but this is bracket.
Oh, look at all the fish. The LED lights are so pretty. Oh, look at the baby bearded dragons. They're so cute.